Hi there and welcome to Unit 2. You have survived Unit 1 short story, weeks 1 and 2, and now we are moving on to Unit 2 poetry, weeks 3 and 4. This video is just going to go over what's happening in this unit just so that we're clear about it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the discussion, in the Porch Talk discussion. Unit 2 is more condensed than Unit 1, as you can see just from a little snapshot of it. We have 3 discussions. I collapsed the weeks so you have like a double time to complete them. So there are 3 discussions going over several different poems each. We have our journal log for poetry, which looks similar to short story, but we're dealing with poetic concepts and literary terms. We have our quiz on poetry that is asking you to understand the literary concepts that you've practiced in your journal and looked at and applied to the poems. And then the last thing is, if you're choosing to do essay number 2, your essay number 2 poetry interpretation and analysis, that's what's in store. I can see here I need to fix the date on that. Don't pay attention to that. It's fixed. Magic. All right, so we start off our weeks 3 and 4 by just jumping straight into poetry here. We have the packet or the reader going over literary concepts for poetry, and so you can click on the PDF here. Remember to highlight. I would print it out and highlight and underline unless you have a reader where you can do that. The concepts, because that's what's going to be on the quiz. And then we have featured in this discussion, along with the concepts for poetry, are 3 poems by 3 amazing poets, and you'll be asked to engage with those. There's a video here that's going over it if you're interested. The second discussion for this unit, and again there are only 3, is presenting you with 3 more poems by 3 more amazing poets, and a video of this discussion is here as well. We've got Maya Angelou, Etheridge Knight, and Tupac Shakur, so you can check those out, see what inspires you. And then the last discussion for this unit is really just asking you to reflect on essay number 2 if you're interested and you're going to engage and complete that essay. Then the discussion here, regardless, really, you're going to be playing with the prompt and sharing some ideas about what you would write if you were writing this essay. And so some ideas, there's options here for the prompt for essay number 2, poetry analysis, or a compare and contrast of the poems. So that's what's happening here for the discussions for this unit. And then we move over into the journal log for poetry, where you are going to choose 3 poems and do 2 entries per poem. So a total of 6 poetry journal entries. Same style, part 1, 2, and 3. Share a quote from the reading, and then cite it in MLA. Connect the quote to the concepts of poetry, rhyme, word choice, symbol, tone, etc., and then explain why you picked it. So here's a sample of Pablo Neruda's If You Forget Me poem, and then we have a sample journal log as well. That's what's happening with the journal log. And then we have the quiz on poetry, which looks a lot like the quiz on short story, except for it's the poetic concepts. You can have your vocab cheat sheet from the homepage link if you want, or you can have your packet if you printed it out. But the questions look exactly, on the quiz, look exactly like they do in the packet. There's no mystery here. Just to give you a little preview. And then the last thing that you will be asked to do for this unit, or the last assignment, is the essay for poetry. I don't know if you know you can collapse these. I find it very easy once we've passed a unit to collapse them. It kind of makes it easier to navigate Canvas. So the last one is the essay number 2, poetry analysis and interpretation. And if you choose to do that one, that's the last thing for unit number 2. Have fun, enjoy the poems, and once again, trust your intuition and how it makes you feel. Allow yourself the opportunity to read the poems more than once. We're lucky enough to have a lot of recordings of the poems by the original poets, the authors themselves, but I would encourage you to also read the poems out loud multiple times and experience the depth and the sound and the experience and the feeling of it, just to kind of see where it takes you. Enjoy.